Hello everyone. Welcome to Eurofase Heating. Today, we'll guide you step by step on how to properly install the standard safety grid for your Eurofase heater, whether it is the 39-inch or 61-inch. Step 1. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary components for the standard safety grid installation, which are your Eurofase heater and the standard safety grid that comes with it. Step 2. Start on one side, aligning the 4 points together. Apply gentle pressure against the reflector foil to avoid any damage to the stainless steel finish. Step 3. Carefully insert each point, ensuring they go in without scratching the surface. Center the grid and push each point as far as it can go. Step 4. Now, start from one side and slowly insert the other 4 points, maintaining outward pressure. Repeat this process until the grid is securely in place. If your heater is already installed on the wall, follow a similar procedure. Begin at the bottom, ensuring the tabs fit into the slot securely. Continue to the top, starting from one side and progressing to the other. This ensures a firm and secure installation. And there you have it. You've successfully installed a Eurofase standard safety grid. Enjoy the warmth of your Eurofase heating product. Please make sure that this process is done properly and that you are compliant with your local code. Please scan the QR code to check our instructions and installation manual. For more information, visit eurofaseheating.com. Thanks for watching and stay warm.